Hello everybody, this is Michael with the LangShack. I am doing the exercises for lesson 4, and then we're going to move into lesson 5, which is a little bit interesting, has a whole lot of stuff, but that's okay. There's a lot of grammar concepts, so it's probably going to take us a couple days, 2 or 3 days, to comfortably get through lesson 4, or lesson 5, I mean, because now there's that 1 and 6 before we start our more advanced content. So, in the last lesson, we just went over the last part of the vocabulary, so we should be able to do these exercises. If you've been following along, you should be able to do these exercises with me. Okay, so exercise A, translate to English. So, no ta mira mi. So that means he does not look. He is not looking at me. No ta mira mi. 2. Ehiba 6 obsequio. He carries 6 gifts or presents. 3. Eha un buki noble. Ha is something that they didn't really. It was one of the examples that even I didn't read, so it kind of caught me off guard. But it means has. It's the same as teen. So eha un buki noble means he has a new book. Elobai escol ferfelu. He will go. The 4th sentence. He will go to the boarding school. 5. Nantin cinco cacho hamber. They have 5 hungry dogs. 6. Boti numpera. You have a pair. 7. Nos sonrei y nos hari. We laugh, we smile, and we laugh. Exercise B, translate the Papiamento. 1. The tea is hot. How would you say this? It's ete ta caliente. Ete ta caliente. How would you say B? 2. The father carries a heavy bag. Papa, hiba un tas yen. Papa, hiba un tas yen. B3. The mother cooks a healthy meal. Mama kushna una riña salud. Mama kushna una riña salud. B4. The boy learns an interesting lesson. Emuchanan signa un les interesante. Emucha homber signa un les interesante. Mucha hombre signa un les interesante. B5. The girl opens a small umbrella. Mucha mujer abre un paraplu chiquito. Mucha mujer abre un paraplu chiquito. B6. They drive a fast car. Fast car, auto rapido. Non corre un auto rapido. Non corre un auto rapido. B7. 6 children listen to soft music. Soft music, musica dushi. Musica dushi. Seis muchanan escucha na música dushi. Seis muchanan escucha na música dushi. B8. He is a good dancer. Eta un bailador bom. Not bom, because bom is bottom. Bom. Bon. With an N. Bon. Eta un bailador bom. Exercise C. Translate to Papiamento. They have 10 large rocks. So, large rocks. Barranca Grande. They have 19 or Nanja 19 10 Barranca Grande. 19 Barranca Grande. C2. You love apples and strawberries. Bostima apple y arbe. Bostima apple y arbe. C3. The water is cold. E agua tá frio. C4. I saw an old house. Miawak un cas viejo. Miawak un cas viejo. C5. They sing songs and drive a car. Nan canta cantunan y nan corre un auto. Nan canta cantunan y nan corre un auto. C6. It is an expensive gift. Eta expensive is caro. Obsequio caro. Eta un obsequio caro. C7. We read interesting books. Buki, book. Buki interesante or buki dan interesante. Lesa. Nos lesa buki dan interesante. Nos lesa buki interesante. C8. I will not go. Mi no lo vai. All right, now let's check the answers now. So, exercise A. A1. Enota mira mi. Solution to exercise A1. They don't see me. Exercise A2. Ejiba seis obsequio. The answer? She brings 6 gifts. A3. Eja un buki noble. A3. Solution. She has a new book. A4. Elo vai escool fervelu. Solution to A4. He will go to the boring school. A5. 19 cacho hamber. Solution to A5. They have 5 hungry dogs. A6. Botin un pera. Solution to A6. You have a pair. A7. No sonreí y nos hari. Solution to A7. We smile and we laugh. On to exercise B solutions. B1. The tea is hot. Solution to B1. Está caliente. B2. The father carries a heavy bag. Solution to B2. El papá hiba un tasien. B3. The mother cooks a healthy meal. Solution to B3. El mamá kushna una riña salud. B4. The boy learns an interesting lesson. Solution to B4. En mucha hombre lesa un les interesante. B5. The girl opens a small umbrella. B6. En mucha mujer abre un paraplu chiquito. B7. 6 children listen to soft music. Solution to B7. Seis muchanan scuchi na dushi musica. So I guess dushi can go before instead of saying musica dushi. So I'm not exactly sure when the adjective follows the noun or when the adjective goes before the noun. That's okay. No need to stress. Languages are fun. They're supposed to be fun and relaxing. B8. He is a good dancer. Está un bailador bon. That's the solution to B8. Está un bailador bon. On to exercise C. C1. They have 10 large rocks. Solution to C1. 19 Barranca Grande. C2. You love apples and strawberries. Solution to C2. Bostima abrunan y ardbenan. Theoretically, you can say these without the not at the end because it's still plural. C3. The water is cold. Solution to C3. El agua está frío. C4. I saw an old house. Solution to C4. Miawak un viejo cas. Saw an old house. I might have messed that one up, sorry. C5. They sing songs and drive a car. Solution to C5. Nan canta cantunan y corre un auto. Nan canta cantunan y corre un auto. I really want to say boost like autobus. C6. It is an expensive gift. Solution to C6. Está un obsequio caro. C7. We read interesting books. Solution to C7. Nos lesa buki interesante. See, you don't have to say un. I don't think it matters if you say un or honestly. Most Creoles don't even. This is the only Creole that has a the or an a that I have encountered so far. Most Creoles don't have it, or it's optional. C8. I will not go. Solution to C8. Mi lo no vai. Also, mi no lo vai work as well. Okay, so those were the exercises with audio. They all have audio. And the solution to them, and also my solutions to the original my exercises, my responses to the exercises, and then the actual solutions, which match up for the most part to most of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need more practice with this, let me know and I'll create more practice for this unit. Thank you.